So let us consider one example before defining the functions. Functions define करने से पहले Cartesian product of the two sets, you know that, and relation. So A is the set which containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is the set containing the element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the relation here? It is given to you y is equals to x plus 1. So what are the coordinates? What are the ordered pairs we are going to get? Ordered pairs we need to say, not the coordinates. We need to say it as a ordered pairs. 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5. Because if you are taking 5 is not good. Even although 6 is present in the B, we are not having the 5 in the set A. So domain of this relation is A itself. All the first elements should be taken. Codomain is B itself. And range is only 2, 3, 4, 5 because 6 is not there. So these are all the things you have already learned here. Set up all the second elements, whatever we are taking, that is. So range is always subset of the codomain. So some points you have to observe here. Okay. So what are the points? X be the set of the books in a shop. Some examples let us take into consideration. Y is the set of the prices corresponding to each book in the shop. Okay. And we have a corresponding between the books and their prices. Correspondence is nothing but there will be a relation. एक book के लिए इतना price है, दूसरा book के लिए इतना price है. Relation होता है. There is a one correspondence between the books and their prices. Correspondence is nothing but इधर से उधर तक एक link होता है. That is only the thing here you have. X is the set of the books in the library, and let n is the set of the natural numbers, and C is the cubes. Set of the cubes here. We can assign the each natural number to x cube. one cube को assign कर सकते हैं. two cube 8 को assign कर सकते हैं. three cube को assign कर सकते हैं. So there is a correspondence between the natural numbers and the set C. And in both the examples, we have the two sets and a rule that assigns every member of the first element. First set में कुछ भी खाली नहीं. Every member is related to the only one element only. Double भी नहीं. So assigns to the every member of the one set to the unique element of another set. Unique is nothing but only one. Unique is nothing but only one element. Double means इधर से first set से two arrow marks नहीं होना है. Simple thing. Relation में two arrow marks हो सकता है. But in the function you are not going to have the means one should not be related to the two. Okay. So here every function is a relation, but every relation need not be a function. Every relation need not be a function. Okay. So one example let us take into consider whatever the example we have taken, that is y is equals to x plus 1. Y is equals to x plus 1 is the relation. Whether this relation is a function or not, you have to verify whether this relation is a function or not. Can you tell me that what you are going to get? 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4. Like this, if you when you observe diagrammatically like this, easily you can say actually. Diagrammatically observe कर लिए तो easily you can say 1 is related to 2, 2 is related to 3 is related to 4. All the elements are having the correspondence. इसमें क्या है कि all first set में क्या है 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one is having the one correspondence. It is mapped. Mapping is available. Okay, and only one is double nahi. Therefore you can consider, you can say that this is a function. All the elements of set A have the correspondence with the elements of set B, and set B में double B nahi. Only one element is. It is linked to the only two, not to the other element. You may have the all are linked to the same element, doesn't matter. Okay, all should link to the only same element. That is also done. So such type of the relations are called functions. In the domain, set has the only one and one image in the set. Only one image only should be there. Image is nothing but either set say whatever it is related, that is called image of the first set. So A and B are the two non-empty sets, and a function f from A to B is rule that maps each member of the set A is unique member of set A. A relation R from the non-empty set A to the another non-empty set B is said to be a function if its domain is set A and no two ordered pairs have the R have the same first coordinate. Same first coordinate कब होगा? अब suppose first में 1 है, 1 is related to 2, 1 is related to 3, then the ordered pair you are going to have 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 3. So 1 is 2 times you are having, that is 1 is having a 2 images. 1 is having a 2 images. We call that 1 is having a 2 images. So it should not have the 2 images. First coordinate should not be same. So this is the condition. One more example you see here. This one 3 comma 9 belongs to the function, 3 comma 11 also belongs to the function. 3 comma 9 and 3 comma 11 है, दोनों को 3 है. So 3 is having a two different images. Two different images आते हैं. So this is not a function. समझ में आया? Function किस type of the relations are called functions. One more example you see here. So different examples where x comma x is a real number. Whether it is a function, x comma x is a real number. Means 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4.5 comma 4.5, root 2 comma root 2. Every element is having only one only, na? Different. X change हो रहे तो second also will going to change. So that's why different x real numbers are there. So is the relation for the real numbers, there exists an image that the same real number. Same real number exists over. So this type of the function is actually called as a identity function. We call this as a, this relation is a function, and this type of the function is called identity function that we are going to learn in the types of the functions. Types of the functions का topic में हम लोग सीखेंगे. But here it is one example is given to you. This type of the relation is a, every element is different here. Set A to the set B is said to be a function, A to, for different elements. This is the mathematically sentence form of the function. If you see that f is a relation from set A to set B, and f is said to be a function from set A to B for all x belongs to A. For all x belongs to A. एक A में क्या क्या elements है सबको, there exists unique is nothing but only one. कंपल्सरी होना है, खाली भी नहीं रहना. There compulsory, there should exist compulsory unique y belongs to B, such that x comma y belongs to f. Or if you can say that f of x equal to y, you can say that f of x is equals to y also, you can say that. So this condition is mathematical way of defining the function. Mathematically function को define करना है. So a relation is said to be a function if every element. So now let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. This condition if you are taking here, domain is A hai and codomain is B. Range is same in the same way. So whether it is a function, if f from A to B a function, y is called image of x. This is called image of this one. This is called free image of this one. 3 is the image of 2. 2 का image क्या है? 3. 3 का free image क्या है? 2. This is the image of this one. Do remember. 5 is the image of 4. 4 is the pre-image of 5. So these things you have to remember here. Image, we denote that image whenever we are saying f of that image is equals to y. F of 2 equal to 3, f of 3 equal to 4, f of 4 equal to 5, f of 1 equal to 2, like that you can write. So this is called pre-image. Already I told you that. So 1 comma 2 belongs to relation function. 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5. Whenever we are saying, we can say that f of 1 is equals to 2. F of 2 is equals to, f of 1 equal to 2 बोल रहे तो 2 is the called the image of 1, or 1 is called the pre-image of 2. Or inverse image will not be used, only pre-image mostly used. f of 2 equal to 3 होगा, f of 3 equal to 4, 3 comma 4 function में है, then f of 3 equal to 4 you can write. समझ में आया ना? So f of 4 equal to 5. In the same way, f of 4 is equals to 5 also we are. Okay. So now here range. What is meant by a range here? A function is a function. A to B is a function. Then the set of all the images of the elements of set A is known as the range of the function f. It is denoted by f of capital. Set of the all the images. First set का images क्या है? इसका image क्या है 2, इसका image क्या है 2, इसका image क्या है 2, इसका image क्या है 2. This is called already range in a relation also same. But denotion here, ये पूरा set A है ना, ये का रेंज सॉरी फंक्शन का रेंज होता है, सेट का रेंज नहीं है, फंक्शन का रेंज. The function range is denoted by f of a. If it is a function a, f of capital A लिख दिया. So that is nothing but f of capital A is nothing but 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that is range. Range of the that range of the any particular function is denoted by f of that particular domain. F of the domain function in the brackets domain क्या है वो domain लिखना पड़ता है. That is called the range of the function. Is it clear to you? Yeah. So range of the function is always subset of the code. Range of the function is always subset है ना. ये range क्या है ये इसी में से लेते हैं ना हम लोग. ये पूरा मिलके including 6 codomain. Including 6 we call it as a codomain. And excluding 6 in this situation we call it as a set. So always range will be subset of the codomain. So codomain is B, range is F. Domain is A. Domain is A, range is F of capital A, and codomain is B. Okay. So I here in F, y is equals to F of x. If you are saying F of x equal to y, x is called independent variable. And while y is known as a dependent variable, because y value we are going to get depending upon the x. x2 हमको पता चलता है. Suppose f of x equal to x plus 2. Relation is a function ना. We have taken one example, y equal to x plus 1. Y equal to x plus 1 is nothing but x value हमको पता चलता है तो y आएगा. That's why x is called independent variable and y is called dependent variable. The dependent variable is also called as the value of the function. Value of the function f at x is equals to x at that particular value of the function. Okay. So this is the range, domain, and the codomain and value of the function. So let us see the one example. Let f is a function defined from a to r. We read it as a function जैसे relation कैसे बोलते हैं the same way. A to r, and compulsorily do remember that without domain and codomain function cannot be set. Sometimes if you said that, sometimes it may become function, it may not be a function. This is defined here f of x equal to 2x plus 1, where a is equals to 1, 2, minus 1. If x equal to minus 1 is taken, f of x value क्या होगा 3. So 1, 3 is present in the function, because here in this place 1 substitute करो 3 आएगा, 2 substitute करो 5 आएगा, minus 1 substitute करो plus 1 आएगा. So these are the ordered pairs you are going to have in the function. F of 1 equal to 3, f of 2 equal to 5, f of minus 1 is equals to minus 1. So we are going to have, what is the domain of this function? Domain 1, 2, minus 1. A बोल सकते हैं simply. What is the codomain? 3, 5? No. Codomain I am asking. R is a codomain. Set of the real numbers is codomain. ये पूरा real numbers है ना. It is defined from real numbers to real numbers. So that is R is the codomain, and 3, 5, minus 1 is the, in that situation it is range. 3, 5, minus 1 is range in this situation. Clear? समझ में आया ना? So now here, which of the following relations are functions? इसमें क्या है? First one, is that function? Why not? It's a function. All first में क्या है? अभी 2 and 3 are having the same image. 2 and 3 are having same image. How? It doesn't, only one image होना. Second one, yes, it is a function. Third one, no, it's not a function. Why? Because 2 is having 2 images and 3 is not having image. ऐसा भी नहीं होना. Fourth case में देखो, 2 is having 2 images. Okay, so 4 situations में first 2 are the functions, next 2 are the not functions. These 2 are the functions and these 2 are, this is not a function because the reason is that behind that. Okay, ये सारा पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं. Simple thing is that here. So now the vertical line test. Graph, whenever it is given to you, function can be represented in a graphical way. What is function actually? Function is what? Y equal to some expression will be given to you. Y equal to x plus 2. Y equal to x plus 2 बोला है. वो क्या होगा? ग्राफ में ऐसे x plus 2 will become the one straight. Y equal to x square plus minus 2x plus 3 बोला. वो पैराबोला हो. Because it's a curve we are going to. x क्यूब दे दिया है. So whatever it may be, you are going to get the graph में एक कुछ ग्राफ आ जाएगा. Given graph is a function होगा नहीं होगा. Vertical line test होता है. So vertical line test helps to check the whether the given relation is a function or not. एक ग्राफ दे दिया है ग्राफ को. Vertical line is nothing but when you draw the vertical line, it cuts that in a. See here, like this graph is taken here. One graph is taken. In this situation, when you draw the vertical line ऐसे draw कर लिया. जो एक ही place में touch हुआ. What is the meaning of that one? Why do we draw the vertical line? X coordinate is individually different x coordinate are having different y coordinates. It says to you that इधर देखो इधर में ऐसा ड्रा कर लिया तो 2 places में टच हो रहा है. That means this point, this intersecting point in second figure, ऊपर intersecting point है नीचे intersecting point है, दोनों का x coordinate is same है ना, because वो दोनों का x coordinate approximately 2 हो जाए. तो 2 comma something होगा. तो 2 comma something में 2 is having the 2 images, isn't it? 2 is having the 2 images. That's why it is not a function. So first case में function है, second case में function नहीं है. Means vertical line test says to you that if line is drawn and it is intersecting the graph, intersecting the curve in 2 points, 2 points में intersect कर रहे, then it is a not a function. If it is touching at only one point, it is a function. So if a vertical line intersects the graph at more than one point, not only 2 points, more than one place, the 2 ordered pairs having the first same coordinate, then we can conclude that it's not a function. So this is in this graph, it is a function. First one is a function, and coming to this one, second one, 2 points are having 2 pink color points है ना, वो 2 points are having the x coordinate is same. दोनों का x coordinate same. Okay. A function that has the either capital R set of the real numbers or one of the subsets of the as a range is called the real valued function. Range, if it is given to you real numbers, range is given to you real numbers. So previously one example is given to you, f from a to r लिखा. R is here real numbers, that is codomain. What is the range we are getting? 3, 5, 1. That is also real number, 3, 5, 1 also. That is range. So range, if you get either real numbers or subset of the real numbers, we call it as a real valued function. If the domain of and range of the function is either real number or subset of the real numbers, then it is called a real function. Real function is nothing but domain real number. F from R to something, then it is R हो सकता है, ये तो subset of real function, real valued function. Okay. Addition of the two functions and subtraction of the real numbers from another number, multiplication of the real function by a scalar, multiplication of the two real functions and division of the two real functions. So now first let us see the addition of the two functions. Addition of the two functions is very simple here. Functions is nothing but expressions. Function is nothing but generally expression. expressions को add करना है. So here x is the subset of the real numbers and f plus g is also, it is दोनों functions का sum is also subset of the real number. X to real numbers, it is defined as a f of a plus g of. दोनों functions को add करना है. In this example, let us see. A function is given to you 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. G function is given to you 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7. F of 1 equal to 2 है, F of 1 equal to 5 है. दोनों का कंपलसरी डोमेन सेम है. दोनों का डोमेन क्या है? 1, 2, 3 is a domain. Domain of the F is 1, 2, 3. Domain of the G is also 1, 2, 3. F of 1 is 2. F of G of 1 is 5. So F plus G of 1, F plus G of 1 is equal to 3 plus 5. Sorry, 2 plus 5. F plus G, sum of the two functions. Normally ordered pair whenever it is given to you, means ordered pair भी जैसे दे दिया तो थोड़ा सा f plus g of a 1 if you are taking 2 and 5 should be added. ये 2 है, ये 5 है, ऐड कर लिया 7 आ जाएगा, 7. तो दोनों फंक्शंस का सम में क्या होगा? 1 is comma 7 होगा, 1 comma 7 is equals to 7. and 2 को क्या होगा? इधर 2 है, 3 and 6, 2 comma 9 होगा. F plus g is also new function. Sum of the two functions is new function. It is a new function. So that function is going to have the elements in this 1 comma 2 plus 5, 2 comma 3 plus 6, 3 comma 4 plus 7. समझ में आया ना? First element should be same here, and though both the functions can be addition is possible to if they have the domain same. Okay, addition of the function, subtraction of the real function from another function. Same addition कैसे करते हैं, subtraction भी कैसे है. Corresponding elements को subtract करना है. Same way है, ये भी same है, subtract करना है. What do you get here? Can anyone tell? F of 1 minus g of 1. What do we get? Answer, what do we get? 1 comma 3 minus 3 आए, because f minus g, it is not a difference. f minus g बोल रहे हैं ना, so 1 comma minus 3 होगा, because 2 and 5 subtract कर, 2 minus 5. So 1 is related to minus 3. F of 1 minus g of 1. F of 1 is 2. G of 1 is 5. F of 1 is 2. G of 1 is 5. So 2 minus 5 is equals to 3. 1 comma 3. Same way, the other functions we are, other elements we are going to get. So multiplication of the real function by the scalar. How do we multiply the real function by the scalar? Let us see here. Okay, scalar is nothing but, आप physics में already सीख लिया है, ये quantity. Actually here function is just like a vector you can consider. Scalar is nothing but here constant. Either in this situation mathematically you say the constant k. K multiply करना है तो k into f of kf of a is equals to k into f of. That is nothing but very simple here. F is a function, k equal to 2. What here kf is the function you need to get. F of 1 is equals to 2. Then 2 into f of 1 is equal to 2 into 2. Every element को 2 multiply करना. So that is nothing but 4 we are going to get. 1 comma 4, 2 comma, what do you get? 2 comma 6. Because 2, constant 2 should be multiplied. Constant 2 should be multiplied. So 2 comma 6, 3 comma 8. Because 3 comma 4 is present. और 4 को 2 multiply करना. Function को 2 multiply करना is nothing but इसको 2 multiply. So multiplication of two real functions. This is very important. Multiplication is different from the composite function. And most of the students will get confused with this. Two functions को multiply करना अलग है, composite function अलग है. Composite function is completely different, and that you are going to learn in your next coming classes. So like this, two functions को multiply करना is nothing but एक फंक्शन ये फंक्शन को मल्टीप्लाई करना है। एग्जाम्पल आप सेम एग्जाम्पल ले लियो तो दोनों नंबर्स है ना, 1,2 होगा। ये देखो ये 1,2 है, इधर 1,5 है। सपोज f इंटू जी लेना है, अब क्या आएगा 1,10 18 3,28. This is when the ordered pairs are given. 1,10. देखो 1,10. Like this, all the elements we are going to the 1,10, 2,8, 18, 3,28. When it is given to you ordered pairs like this, if the functions are given to you as a expressions, functions expressions की जैसा भी दे सकते हैं। If it is given as an expressions, वो दोनों को multiply करना है। Suppose x plus 1 is the one, x plus 2 is the another function. X plus 1 is the one function, x plus 2 is the another function. Addition is nothing but x plus 1 plus x plus 2. Subtraction is nothing but x plus 1 minus bracket में x plus 2. Multiplication is nothing but x plus 1 into x plus 2. Simple. Okay? No complication is there here. So division of the two real functions. Same way division. Divide करना है. 1,2/5 we are going to do. 2,3/6. 3,4/7. Okay? This is very important graphs. The graphs of the functions, let us see here. Different graphs you see here. For this only I am waiting for. A function f is a relation. No two ordered pairs in the relation have the same first element. Same first element नहीं होना. Okay? Okay? Such type of the function we'll take it. So now this type of the function whenever you are taking, graph में observe कर लो. Graphs कैसे होते हैं? ये ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट करना है, आपको स्ट्रेट लाइन आ जाएगा। बिकॉज 1 2 2 3 3 4 व्हाट इज दिस वन? x plus 1. x plus 1 is nothing but it is a polynomial. x plus 1 is what? Polynomial. So monomial actually whenever you are taking into consider. So set of all the values as f of a taken together is called the range of the f and or image of a under f. These all the things are very simple here. Now types of the functions में and their graphs let us see. Identity function already I told you x comma x बोला है ना, 1 को relation है, 2 को ही relation है, 3 को relation है, f of x equal to x. X belongs to the real number. It is called the identity function. And IR is nothing but what? Identity function is usually represented by I, not f. Functions usually will represent by f. Identity function है I से represented है. R क्यों है? It is defined on real numbers. As it is defined on real numbers, IR is I ये लिखा है. ये is a function it is. And identity function the graph, if you observe that, we are going to get the identity function graph in the what way here? A line which is passing through the origin and which is symmetrically, it divides the graph into two symmetrical parts. So each point on equidistant. A straight line makes an angle of 45 degrees with the coordinate axis. It's 45 degrees angle करेगा, इधर 45, इधर 45 degrees. This is the graph of the identity function. The graph of the identity function will be like this. Okay. Next, linear function. Linear function is nothing but just now it's polynomial ax plus b is a linear polynomial. So linear polynomial is nothing but straight line you are going to get it. This function. Whenever you take this function as a straight line, any straight line we are going to get it. Next, constant function. Constant function is nothing but all are linked to the only one element. One इसमें बहुत elements है first set में. First set में बहुत ज़्यादा elements. All are linked to 4 only. F of x equal to 4 means. Right side, that is nothing but, can anyone tell me what is the range of the constant function? What range कैसे होगा? Range में कितना elements होगा constant function में? हाँ? Yes, right. एक ही element होगा. Range में एक ही element होगा ना? F of x equal to 4 means all are linked to 4 only. All the elements are linked to means all are having the mapping as a 4 only. इधर कितना एलिमेंट्स होता है वो सारा लिंक टू ओनली वन एलिमेंट. तो रेंज क्या होगा? वो एक ही एलिमेंट. So range of the constant function is always singleton set. Range of the constant function is always a singleton set. See, x is related to 4. All are 4 को relate करने हैं. 0 -1 4 2 comma 4. So what is the range here? Only 4. Singleton set 4 you have to take into consideration. So the range of the function is a singleton set. Then it is known as a constant function. If the range is singleton set, directly you can say that it is a constant. And constant function, whenever you are observing that, it is a line which is parallel to the x-axis. ये point please observe करो. चलो. It is a parallel to the x-axis. X-axis को parallel. 4 बोले तो 4 की throw pass है. f of x equal to 2 बोल दिया. तो इधर 2 की throw. Why? Because all are having the y coordinate same. 0, 4, 2, 4, -1, 4. Like that, all are having the constant. The graph of this constant function is always straight line parallel to the x-axis. Next to polynomial function. Like a linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, whatever the polynomial, if it is given to you, that is called as a polynomial. Like this. F of x equal to x square, 5x, quadratic polynomial. A cubic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial given polynomial function. Okay. Polynomial function में whether f of x is not a polynomial function, f of x equal to root x plus 2, because root x is plus 2 is not a polynomial. Why not? Yes, power should be non-negative integer, power of the variable, then only it is called a polynomial. So it is not a polynomial function. So consider the one more polynomial function here, and polynomial function graph as a curve होता है, curve. We are going to have the different curve. Quadratic को parabola आएगा, cubic को और एक curve हो जाएगा. So like the different functions are having the different. Now rational function. Rational function is nothing but if it is given to you the function f of x by g of x form में है, where g of x is not equal to 0 is called as a rational function. Like this, 2x minus 5 is the one function by 3x minus 2. 2x minus 5 by 3x minus 2. X value you take any number, then we are going to get. So this rational function is going to have the graph different way. ऐसे ही पक्का completely ऐसे ही होने का जरूरत नहीं. तो different ways में different होता है. Now very important function, modulus function, sinum function. These two functions are very important here. Graphs, their graphs also very important. So modulus function means already you know about the modulus. How do you define? What is mean by modulus? मॉड्यूलस के अंदर -3 ले लिया तो +3, मॉड्यूलस के अंदर +3 ले लिया +3 1. So always 3 1. That means inside the modulus, if it is a negative number is there, you have to multiply minus, and if it is positive number is there, as it is लेना. Means function ये कैसे represent करता हूँ? F of x equal to x if x is greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. F of x equal to minus x. F of x equal to minus x. Minus x कैसे होगा? Minus नहीं होना ना. You tell me that how many of you minus x negative or positive? Minus x is negative or positive? Two possibility. X के depend होता है ना. Minus x negative नहीं सोचना है. Okay? It depends upon the x value. X value, x is negative, then the value of the function is minus x. X is negative means value of the function is minus x. If x is non-negative, then the value of the function is x. Okay, like this. The function modulus function can be written as f of x equal to x if x is greater than or equal to 0. F of x equal to minus x. See, x value negative है. That means x value -3 ले लो. इसके अंदर -3 लिख दिया तो मॉड्यूलस के अंदर +3 होना है. +3 करने के लिए क्या करना है उसको? वो -3 को माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करना है ना. So that's why -x. F of -3 equal to +3. +3 करने के लिए क्या करना है? माइनस को माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करना है ना. So that is why -x is given. So these are the ordered ways, and the graph of the modulus function will be like this. B. The graph of the modulus function is like this V shape we are going to. So this you remember. Modulus function में modulus x means modulus of, suppose if it is given to you x minus 1, mod x minus 1 if it is given, the function will be here, 1 का place में से start होके ऐसा हो. Modulus of x minus 2 if it is given, ये 2 का place से ऐसा हो. समझ में आया? The difference is that since mod x if it is given to you, then the graph will be passing through the origin. Origin की through जाएगा. So origin की through जाके ये correct. Okay? Clear है ना? ये बात. Next sinum function. Okay? Sin है. इसमें in the word itself you are having sin. Sin f of means sinum function can be written mod x by x. Only if it is the negative number, minus 1 लिखना है. Positive number, plus 1. That is the sinum function. And if it is 0, 0. If it is positive, 1. Positive बोले तो positive है, plus 1. Negative बोले तो minus 1. And if it is 0, it is 0. Because 0 is neither positive nor negative. So its value is 0. So this is the sinum function. Sinum function, whenever you observe it, the function will be written to you like this. ये 1 से start होके इधर से ये ब्रेक होगा जाए. तो 0 को 0, 0 को 0. And here if it is actually in a graph, whenever you observe that, ये इस ग्राफ में थोड़ा सा गलत है. आप क्या करना है ना, इसको इधर से इधर एक्सटेंड करके इधर एक सर्किल बनाना है, फिलअप नहीं करना है इसको. ये है ओरिजिनल ग्राफ. ये एक्चुअली ग्राफ व्हाटएवर इट इज शोइंग टू यू, इट इज साइन फंक्शन का गलत है. इसमें क्या करना है ना, एक्स्ट्रा शुड बी एडेड हियर. बिकॉज व्हाट इज दिस मीनिंग, 0 का, बिकॉज 0.1 है, तब क्या होगा आंसर 1 आएगा. तो 0.1 कामा 1. अब 0.1 कामा 1 किधर लिखना है, इधर यही पॉइंट है ना. 0.5 कामा 1 किधर लिखना है, इधर ही लिखना है. तो ये भी होगा, ये इसमें नहीं दिया है वो गलत है. चल, इसमें नहीं दिया है वो गलत है. इवन इधर भी ऐसे लाइन इधर तक आना है, बट इस टच होना है वाई एक्सिस को, बट इधर टच नहीं होना है. सो इसके लिए हम एक सर्किल लिखते हैं, ब्रेक है. दैट मीन्स इधर नहीं है, बट इसका पास में नंबर है ना, उसमें को 1 है, -1 है, -1 है, ऐसे दिखाने के लिए ऐसे लिखना पड़ता है. दिस इज द साइनम फंक्शन ग्राफ. समझ में आया ना साइनम फंक्शन ग्राफ? हाँ, इज इट क्लियर टू यू? So what is the range of the sinum function graph? 0, 1, -1. Only 0, 1, -1 we are going to have. Next is the very interesting greatest integer function. Very interesting. Greatest integer function is nothing but एक नंबर ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर लिखते हैं. ये पूरा पहले देखो, देखने के बाद मैं क्लियरली एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ, बोर्ड पे एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. So what is greatest integer function is nothing but दोनों एक नंबर को ब्रैकेट्स के बीच में लिखती है. So what is nothing but greatest integer less than or equal to that number. The value is greatest integer less than or equal to x. So here if you see like this you cannot understand. -1 to 0 का बीच में है, कुछ भी नंबर है ले लो, -1 to 0 का बीच में. तो सपोज इफ यू टेक दैट -0.5, ये दोनों को बीच में होगा ना, -1 to 0 के बीच में -0.5 होगा. -0.5 का से लेस देन कितना इंटीजर्स है, -1, -2, -3. In all these integers, which is the greatest one? That means inside the brackets, if you take -0.5, the answer is -1. Inside the brackets, if you write -0.9, the answer is -1. Inside the bracket, if you write -1.1, -1.1 -1.1 से लेस देन इंटीजर्स क्या है? -2 -3 -4 these are all lesser लेफ्ट साइड होगा ना. इन ऑल दीज विच इज द ग्रेटेस्ट वन? माइनस. सो -2 हो जाए. पॉजिटिव नंबर्स ले लिए तो 0 to 1 ले लिए तो 0 को 1 का बीच में नंबर्स 0.5. ब्रैकेट में 0.5 लिख दिया तो आंसर 0 होगा. समझ में आ रहा है ना? ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन. सो दिस इज द ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन. 1 to 2 का बीच में नंबर्स ले लो, 1 होगा. 2 to 3 नंबर्स का बीच में ले लो, 2 होगा. What is the lesser value, lesser integer that should be taken into consideration? The graph will be like this. See here, here it is in the graph. ये fill up नहीं किया, देखो इसका मीनिंग क्या है. ये देखो, whenever you are taking 1 ले लिया है, 1 है, 1 का 2 का बीच में whatever the numbers are there, for all that 1 only, but 2 whenever it is there, it is not equal to 1. That's why 2 का केस में सर्किल डाल दो. So break हो गया, that is breaking here. So that's why it is shown to you like that. And 2 का इक्वल वैल्यू का प्लेस में 2 है, इधर 2, इधर से स्टार्ट होके 3 तक आ रहा है, 3. Okay, so this is greatest integer function here. Okay, let me ask you some questions to you based on the greatest integer function. Suppose if I am asking that inside the bracket -2.5, can anyone tell me greatest integer value of this one? -2 not, -3 हो. आप कुछ भी है, ये नंबर लाइन लेना है बेटा. ये इजी है, 0 1 2 3 4, -1 -2 -3. इधर पॉइंट ले लिया, ये आंसर है. इधर पॉइंट ले लिया, ये आंसर है. -2.5 किधर है? इधर हो, देन फाइनल. दैट इज ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन. क्लियर है ना? हाँ. So these are the different types of the functions we are having here.